Ladies and gentlemen, oh, and Helga, welcome to the Q-Force. You have been assembled here because each of you is an expert in your particular field. From Al's mastery of electronics to Skid's nerves of steel, to Helga's sensual powers of seduction. Each of you has shown that you are worthy to wear the Q. Years ago, I single-handedly defeated Dr. Nefarious, but like a rash on the galaxy's backside, he has flared up again. Our first mission will be to infiltrate the Doctor's top-secret base on planet Aquatos. Impossible, you say? Perhaps for a lesser strategist? Behold, my brilliant plan! First, Ratchet and Clank will descend to the sea floor and wade through a series of tunnels flooded with waist-high raw sewage.
What?
Please hold your questions until the end of the presentation. After infiltrating the base, our agents will split up. Clank will enter the base's ventilation system, where he will locate and deploy this banana-guided autonomous monkey device, or the GAMD. Meanwhile, Ratchet will use his extensive knowledge of the Tyrannoid language and customs to win the trust of the bloodthirsty alien guards. Finally, our agents will make their way to Nefarious's personal office, steal everything that isn't nailed down, and exfiltrate the base completely undetected.
Okay.
That's crazy!
But it just might work.
So, but before heading to Aquatos, I'm going to play episode 2 of the comic series. Oh crap! I closed the help log. It was Al that was going to talk. It was completely unintended. I was going to press triangle to switch my weapon, and I closed the text log.
Quark, Comic Episode 2, Ariba Amoeba. A new evil was gathering in the shadowy swamps of Blackwater City. A horrific breed of monsters known as amoeboids, born in the laboratories of a twisted scientist named Dr. Nefarious.
To think they called me insane, Lawrence. We'll see who's insane when my pets have exterminated all life on this miserable planet!
That should clear things right up, sir. When Captain Quark encountered the amoeboids for the first time, he immediately executed Emergency Response Plan number 2.
Hey, wait just a minute.
Quark then proceeded to stall for time while he coordinated the city's defenses from the women's restroom at Galaxy Burger.
Give me that thing, you lying no-good poof! Right, now where were we? From the moment I touched down, I knew the situation called for a head-on assault. Without hesitation, I rushed to do heroic battle with the monstrous amoeboid horde.
Quark is a good storyteller.
Alright, now for the fancy stuff. Press X while I'm in the air near a wall to see my awesome wall kick move.
Okay, I think there's some tokens hidden in some of these places. No, nothing here. Crap, that was... Ah! Okay. Let's go first here. I don't think there's anything this way. Oh damn it, I didn't notice this guy. Ah, damn it. We have 44 tokens. We're almost there. Okay, nothing that way. Still didn't even use my weapon. No, I did. I hope that I didn't miss anything. Damn it. Oh, that was a close call. There's I think a health upgrade in this way. Yeah. Ah, didn't know that they could change sides. No. Damn it, get out of the way. Ah! Okay. 22 left if my maths serve me right. No, okay, that was too late to jump. Come on, 20 tokens. I hope that I didn't miss any. I think this is the one that has the... Oh no, it's inside that place. Yes, kill yourselves. Only 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, got them all. I'm so badass.
His amoeboid army defeated, Dr. Nefarious had no choice but to flee Blackwater City in disgrace.
You've not seen the last of me. I will have my vengeance if it takes 1,000 years!
Dr. Nefarious was right about one thing. He and Quark would meet again, and sooner than he realized. For a true hero like Captain Quark will stop at nothing in the name of justice.
What? I held my breath.
And so we can proceed to Aquatos. Was my ship dancing? Oh well. Aquatos it is.
Incoming call. Oh no.
Clank, Bubby, you're killing me!
Excuse me?
I'm trying to make a picture here, and Mr. Big Shot Star is nowhere to be found.
I am currently occupied with a mission of galactic security.
Right, I get it. You want a bigger trailer? Done. You want a daily oil massage? Done. I need my star on the set pronto, capiche?
You're breaking up.
You know, I can see you, weasel boy.
Oh yeah? How about now?
He'll figure something out. We've got work to do.
And here we are at Planet Aquatos. Well, let me see just what can I buy. Oh, I have quite some bolts in storage. I'm going to get the whip.
To throw your whip, hold R1 and press circle.
I didn't remember we could throw it. I don't think I ever threw it on my main playthrough. Oh well.
Skid, what are you doing here?
My code name is Shadow Dude, no? Black Ops are my speciality. I figured you guys could use my help.
Thanks, Shadow Dude, but I think we've got this one covered.
Alright, I'll just take my hacker and go back to the ship.
Hacker? Oh, well, you know, on second thought, I think we'd like you to join the mission, Shadow Dude.
Awesome! This is gonna be sick!
Shame that we don't really have a hacker right now. We're going to get one in the future though. I don't think it's the best idea to use this weapon here. Hey, what the hell? I just passed through a vendor and there's another one here. Okay, I want to use this one. Kinda want to level it up first, and the other weapons will come afterwards. I usually start the game by leveling up the Lancer kind of weapon. Lancer is the second game's weapon, but you guys understand.
The jackpot crate multiplies all bolts and experience gained for a limited time.
I think you had already said that earlier in the game, didn't you? Let's see if I get this thing straight. Ah, it isn't it, this one. There's one of these that has a platinum bolt. Also, I think Ratchet's wings, it's wrench faster. Wasn't that guy supposed to come into the center of the room and not stand there? Well, collection glitch. When we have our own hacker, we can go through this place. There's like a hidden platinum bolt, I suppose. Oh, that was a close call. I don't know how he didn't hit me. Oh no, Ratchet Clank 3 simply seems a bit more fluid. Not that the other ones weren't, but it seems faster paced, I don't know. Maybe just me. Even underwater.
Swim, have you? Press square to dive and X to rise. Press harder to dive or rise faster. Your helmet will provide oxygen. At least, in theory.
I think there's a platinum bolt over here. And there's, I think, a skill point for destroying all these crates. Or am I mistaken? I don't really remember. But I guess there's no harm in trying that. If I find all the crates. I'm not really... This is not my main goal here. Okay, I don't know if there's any other crate here. Guys, but just see this. Isn't it way faster? And you even can double jump. I don't think you could do that in the first two games. It was like Ratchet first. He went underwater a bit and then he jumped out of the water. This game he simply jumps and it's way faster. I actually enjoy that.
Be careful down there. My scanners show a huge biomass moving towards you down the drain pipe.
It's a king amoeboid. Those things are big as shit and they give you crystals. Much like the enemies from Ratchet Clank 2 in the desert and ice place, you know. I think it's this one that has the black bolt. Yes, there it is.
Awesome!
Yeah, I didn't even need to go up the stairs. The ladder, I mean. Those were not stairs. Oh, leveled up. Awesome! Next one is the last. No, it has like... it fires some rays at the enemies. Electricity. Oh crap. Oh, it didn't get hit by... I don't know how, but it was like a miracle. I think it's going to appear some enemies here. Yeah. Full of them. I don't think I was hit. This is on purpose. I was going to say I don't think I was hit yet on this level, and then I got freaking hit. Whoa. I don't think my PS3 likes me. Oh, there's a platinum bolt. I knew there was one around this place. And actually, I think I have amassed a good quantity of platinum bolts by now. Oh, this box floating. I'm recording for 35 minutes now. Probably you guys won't see anything because I normally edit the videos to become shorter. Normally I put a planet per video. Unless the video is too short. Oh, got a skill point. I knew it. Wait, now where do I need to go then? I'm kinda lost. Where? Oh, okay, it's up. That was a fail. And as you guys can see, this wrench Ratchet has, it's the last one we got in Ratchet Clank 2. And I think that's the one that we begin Ratchet Gladiator. And in that game you can actually do some mini upgrades to it so that it has fire or something like that. I don't really remember Ratchet Gladiator. I don't play in a long time. But I will play it as soon as it releases on the PlayStation Store later this year. Oh, come on, won't you guys come up? Come on. Upside down, upside down. I don't know why the hell did I sing. And I think the lyrics is completely different. I think it's sit down. What the hell, dude? What? For a moment I thought I was going to need to restart the game. Also, it's in this planet that we find Slim Cognito. I think it's right now, actually. And we can get free weapons from Ratchet Clank too.
Shh! Clank, did you hear that?
We are not alone.
Hey, dudes, I forgot to feed my goldfish. I'll see you back at the...
Well, if it ain't two of my best customers.
Slim Cognito? What are you doing down here?
I had a small run-in with the cops concerning a suck cannon upgrade that was mistakenly sold to a minor. I swear the kid looked 18. Anyway, I needed to find a less conspicuous place to do business. I take it you two are still in the market.
Well, let's see what you've got.
Heh. Let's check for the Megacorp. Because I lost all my weapons. Oh yeah, we got the lava gun, one of my favorite weapons, and in this game it's so badass. But firstly, I'm going to level up the N60.
There's the ventilation shaft. We must split up here.
Yeah, well, I guess it's time to put on the Tira guys and go meet my new pals.
Good luck. I will assist you if I can. Perhaps you should have read the instruction manual. It was nice knowing you, Ratchet.
Son of a Quark. I should start calling you my friend son of a Quarks. You son of a Quark! You should have shame on yourself. If we get spotted by these things, we get insta-killed, basically.
No monkeying around. Monkeying. We are on an important mission.
Clank, that little sucker will chase bananas any place you shoot him. Give it a try.
Go fetch the banana. I'm so evil. No banana for you. You'll get upset, see. Yeah, he's upset. No, you want a banana? Go there. Go fetch it.
Clank, if the guards discover you, just shoot a banana and have the monkey distract them.
Ratchet, I need you to extend the bridge at Junction G5.
I wonder how he knows which junction is.
Ratchet, I found some online instructions for the Tira guys. Let's see. When you speak to a Tyrannoid, you should see a holographic display. Just tap or hold the correct button as it moves across your display. Watch what you say, though. These guys have really nasty tempers.
Oh, poor guys. So this is like a mini game where you need to press the correct buttons in the correct order. Well, these ones are kind of easy. The next ones will maintain conversation for a longer time period, and they will not believe us at first time. Well, kind sir, I'm a Tyrannoid. Certainly not a Lombax. I would kind of be stupefied and saying like, why the hell did you mention you were not a Lombax? 5 freaking bolts. Monkey, stay. Okay. Now come, monkey. No banana for you. No banana for you. I'm so evil.
Look, Gadgebots! I love those little guys. To give them command, just hold triangle and select a command with the left analog stick.
Yeah, I know. Attack my children. I want them bolts. Freaking monkey. What's that monkey? What are those two doing back there? Oh well. Had to scratch my head. Where are... I only have 3. Oh, here's the 4th one. Come, my Gadgebots.
Gate with the number on it is a bot port. Select Enter from the bot command menu to order your Gadgebots into the port. When the number hits 0, the port will unlock.
Yeah, this isn't anything we didn't know by now. I remember that thing being hard for me the first time around. Ah, poor guys. Oh, damn it, what? How did I click 2 times in that button? Oh well, that was a fail on me. Again, not a Lombax.
Well, what took you so long?
Clank, what are you doing here? You're supposed to meet me on the surface.
I thought I would help.
Well, you can give me a hand searching Dr. Nefarious' office. Let's see it. Oh, look at this. The complete Secret Agent Clank Holovid collection. This guy's your biggest fan.
That is rather disturbing. I have downloaded an encrypted star map. Perhaps Al can decode it.
Great. Let's get back to the Phoenix.
Okay, let's do it then. Back to the Phoenix it is, but first we need to go through the sewers. Let's go fast. Swim in the nasty water.
Whoa! Deja vu.
Ow! Oh, it's you two again. Right on schedule.
See?
This here's one of the nastiest, smelliest sewers in the galaxy. Most guys wouldn't set foot in a place like this, but me? I just can't get enough.
Right. Well, we were just passing through. You can get back to whatever you were doing.
Hey, if you find any sewer crystals, I'll pay you for them in bolts. I'm making something special for the missus.
Sewer crystals. Uh-huh. We'll keep that in mind.
Ah, fresh from the bowels of a king amoeboid.
And so that's it. Time to return to our ship. And so here we are. And I suppose now it's the Phoenix, right? That's what I got. Yeah, it's the Phoenix.
Sorry to disturb your work, sir, but you may want to know that your impenetrable secret base on Aquatos has been penetrated.
Impossible!
If you say so, sir. They apparently stole some sort of data disk. Well, I must be off now. Dirty laundry and whatnot.
Who is responsible for this outrage?
I believe it was a Captain Quark or something.
Oh, Janice. You'll always be the love of my life.
You really should have that looked at.
That moron could never hope to match wits with the likes of me.
If anyone can beat a moron at his own game, it's you, sir. He has, however, assembled a group of elite agents known as the Q-Force.
What? This Q-Force must be stopped. Destroy them, eradicate them, annihilate them all!
It's on my to-do list, right after folding your undergarments.
I love Nefarious, I simply do. That guy's amazing. Thanks for the info. Usually it's like left, right, left, right.